Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, the Mighty Spinosaurus B. Today I will be talking about a plant that mysteriously closes when you touch it. Watch till the end for a live experience and enjoy the video. Mimosa Pudica, which is also known as sensitive plant, sleeping plant, and humble plant, is native to the Caribbean, but nowadays it can be found everywhere in hot climates. The plant genus is Mimosa and it is in the plantae kingdom. The main reason people have heard about these plants is how when you touch this plant, all of a sudden it starts closing. The plant can be found in coastal regions, waste areas, lawns, gardens, and sometimes even in extreme places like along roadsides. The plant has a natural predator such as spiders, which are the main natural predators for the weed. Speaking of touch-me-nots being a weed, the plant grows everywhere, is an invasive species, and affects several types of vegetation such as corn, coconuts, cotton, coffee, etc. A fun fact is that in Hawaii, the plant is reported to be toxic to the native vegetation and livestock of the islands. The plant can grow up to 70 centimeters tall. Now that we know our basis, you might be confused how the touch-me-not actually closes its leaves when touched. Well, the plant bends because of a pressure change in its cellular structure. They do this behavior to avoid the predators. The movement that is caused in these plants are known as nastic movements. The movement of bending occurs in the stems, which can twist, which later let them move. A stimulus signal spreads through the branches, so most, if not all leaves, will shut. The entire leaf of a touch-me-not is controlled by a fluid sac structure. The base of the lead is called pulvinus, sorry about that misspelling, and when the plant is touched, the pulvinus rushes out potassium and water. Because the plant lost a lot of water and potassium, the leaflets fold. This is an overview of how the touch-me-not bends when it is touched. Now that we have covered the main basis and how they bend, let's start with some random facts. Mimosa Pudica is the least concerned species, which means it is not even close to endangerment. The plant was first described by Carl Linnaeus in 1753, and touch-me-nots are most commonly grown as an annual plant. However, they can be grown as ground cover. The plant grows best in poor nutrient soil with a pH of 6 or 7. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, the Mighty Spinosaurus B. As you can see here, I have been growing some touch-me-nots and now let's observe how they work. So if you heard from the video, these plants close when touched. Well, let's try it out. Ooh, we got some closing there. How about this one right here? Okay, how about this one, the big one? Yep, like that. That's how they close. Let's try with this one now. Right there. As you can see, they are closing. Now these ones. Those are closing. These ones are already somehow closed. I have no idea how. Maybe they're not receiving enough sunlight. Let's try these ones as the last one. As you can see, they are starting to close. And that is the touch-me-not.